Your business is unique and your brand pack is designed to reflect that. So setting up your profile in your brand pack built on high level is a foundation for everything else you're about to build. In this video, we're going to cover both how to set up your personal details and all your business information. Let's jump in.
All right, when you come into your marketing OS, you're going to want to click settings so that we can get to your profiles. And you'll see you have two profiles. You have a business profile and you have a my profile. So this is for your business. This is for you as a user in your marketing OS as part of your business. All right, so let's talk about the business profile. You're going to want to update your business name, your legal name, your email, phone number, your address, all of those different things, because these are what are called custom values that we'll walk through more in some of these other videos. If you want to see where that's the settings are, it's over here. But what happens is when there's a call us button on your website, it's going to use whatever phone number is in here. When your address shows up maybe at the bottom of the site in your footer or at the bottom of an email, it's going to pull whatever you put in here. So you want to update these, and what's great is, hey, maybe you rename your business, you do a DBA later. Well, it's great, you just update this in one place and it updates everywhere. Or maybe you want to use a different number for your business phone. You update it here, it updates everywhere. So that's why these are super important. They're built in to make updating your brand pack a lot easier. As you can see, there's a number of other settings in here that you can work with. But probably the only one that you may want to update here is mark emails as invalid due to hard bounces. That will help you with your email delivery later on. All right, let's talk about my profile. So that was our business profile. Now let's talk about my profile. When you come in here, now again, this is particular to you, so you want to add in your info, your name, your email, all of those things. This is, I mentioned earlier in a previous video, but this is where you can update your password. You can also change your email signature. So when you send emails through the system, this signature is included. I'll show you another one, how we set up this email two-way sync and how we connect calendars. Down here, you can also select, or you can also set your personal availability for your calendars. But we'll walk through that more in the calendar video. I just wanted you to see this is where you can access your profile, change your password, which is pretty important, and how you can change your business profile.
Hey, thanks for watching. These videos, they're designed for those who have a better story marketing brand pack built on high level that helps you make the most of your marketing system. Now, if you don't have a brand pack yet, no worries. Just check out the link down in the description and you can grab yours today. It gives you everything you need to grow your business smarter, faster, and easier, and get things up and running in days, not weeks or months. But if you prefer to build it all from scratch, we've got you covered there too. The other link down in the description will let you just sign up for a simple high-level account without the brand pack so that you can just start building things on your own. But if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like button to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips. We're here to help you launch and grow the kind of business that you want to own. I'll see you in the next video.